Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto, and good morning, Kaspa community, and welcome back to a new update. Mainly a technical update on Kaspa. We'll touch upon some fundamental aspects of the crypto market as well, but we'll mainly focus on the technicals. Technicals right now for Kaspa are also the most interesting in my eyes. So that's what we'll do. We'll do a full update. Like I said, I'll cover the fundamentals that I think that need to be covered to understand Kaspa, and then we'll dive into the technicals. I do want to say, before we get into this video, I know the Kaspa community is a very strong and loyal community. I'm going to be pretty bearish on Kaspa in this video, alright? That doesn't mean I'm bearish on the project. It just means that on the short term, I actually do expect more bearish momentum in terms of price. For multiple reasons, which I will explain in this video. Whether you agree with me or not, that's up to you, of course, but it's my honest opinion, and that opinion has allowed me to make money in these markets. So I'll leave it up to you. But before we dive into Kaspa, I do want to mention as well that I have my own premium trading group in which I share my own trades, like this. But you also gain access to a chat room full of traders and my trading guide. So if you are interested in that, consider joining. But for now, let's get into Kaspa. So the first of all, Bitcoin right now is very, very bearish. All right, so there's a lot of bearish pressure coming from the markets. That doesn't help any bullish momentum that Kaspa has on its own. Caused by multiple things, economics, this news, for example, as well, that's causing that bearish momentum. But then if we take a look at Kaspa, what we're seeing is that there's also a general downtrend in momentum. And momentum is something that is very difficult to kind of gauge, but one of the ways you can do it is by looking at the volume. What we're seeing is that the volume right now is not at its lowest, but it is getting pretty low. It was pretty low here as well, which was the 28th. This was on Monday. But overall, there is some sort of a downtrend in the volume, and especially over the last 24 hours, it has dropped down quite significantly, even though the volume in the markets actually went up. So that's not great. And that's also reflected in the price. I mean, technically, we're just in a big downtrend. And even with the bullish momentum that Bitcoin got on Tuesday, Kaspa just got to the 250 EMA and respected that, which is bearish confirmation as well. Even though, and I actually bought Kaspa here, I actually gave this level in my last Kaspa video. So if you bought it there as well, you could have made a profit. We, at least in the signal group, we did. But yeah, so found support right here, but then respected the 50 EMA. That's bearish confirmation. Now it's even respecting the 28 EMA, and all of that and we should have gotten more bullish momentum from that 0.618 fib. So that we're not getting that. Altogether, it's bearish confirmation. I don't want to become too bearish, but I do think that at this point of time, like if Bitcoin today, it's possible because it's Friday, which is usually volatile. If Bitcoin gets a lot of bullish momentum and gets up towards 26,600, for example, then Kaspa has the opportunity to break above the 28 EMA and spike up towards a 3.8 cents, even though it's unlikely. But overall, the general direction remains down, and I think Kaspa will drop down towards that 3 cents area again. I think it will hold it for some time, but at some point of time, I do think it will break. We'll get a bearish breakout, and Kaspa will drop down to this level right here, around 2.75 cents. And that's the next main support level from which I want to see if Kaspa is able to get some more bullish momentum from there. All right. So that's what we'll see. That's the main price target for now, for me at least. And we'll see how we get there. Like I said, I do think we can see some more consolidation on top of 3.2 cents. But overall, I don't think that's strong enough in these circumstances to break this downtrend. But that's my take on Kaspa. So if you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.